All right, hey guys, today's the 11th of January. It's 30-some degrees out here in South Carolina, and we had a little frost last night. But today we are working on a Country Coach Aspire, and the reason I'm doing this video is I get a lot of questions about, well, can I put this kind of floor in? Can I put that kind of floor in? I'm going to show you an example of what happens with a certain type of flooring. So let's go take a look inside. All right, so this is a beautiful coach. But once you get on the inside here, you're gonna see what we're talking about. All right, so this, one of the big questions I get when people call us about flooring replacements. Can I put the laminate flooring down? Can I put the plank floors down? And I always explain, no, you can't do that. And here's why. Well, number one, this floor was not done properly. You would never line your seams up like that, of course. But what happens with the expansion of contraction is the floor buckles. Let's see if you can see all those ridges. And it's literally coming apart all the way down. Not to mention, the seams on this type of stuff are really hard to make look nice. You can see here somebody had some serious issues cutting this. This coach, of course, has a bunch of other problems. We're assisting a local dealer with selling this. And all this pergo stuff's coming out. The rotted areas are going to get fixed and carpet's going to go down. Another thing that we get all the time that people say, well, what about this? So this is all your contact type wallpaper. People were clearly trying to hide some water damage, and it buckles, and I don't even know how long it takes to put it in. I mean, you're talking hours. There's the rest of the shop. We got our other bay empty today. So I just wanted to take this opportunity while we had this coach in here to explain why the pergo type snap down floors don't work. And I thought this is a great example to show you guys of what happens when you do use it, and especially if it's not installed properly, you're just going to have bad luck the entire time with it. So if you got questions about flooring replacements or any kind of other RV repairs, give us a call and we'll talk with you guys later.